how to activate Windows 11 using digital license. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to activate Windows 11 using a digital license and how to reactivate if you've made a hardware change. Let's start by activating Windows 11 with a digital license. If you upgraded from Windows 10 or purchased Windows 11 from the Microsoft Store, you probably already have a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. Here's how you can activate it. Simply open Start and search for Activation Settings and simply click on Open. In the activation window, you should see the message Windows is activated with the digital license. This means your Windows 11 is ready to go. But if you do not have it, or if your Windows is no longer activated because of a hardware change, scroll down to Troubleshoot, simply tap on it. The troubleshooter will open and you'll need to select some few, like I changed hardware on this device, and click Next to proceed. You'll be asked to sign into your Microsoft account. Simply enter your credentials. After that, Windows will detect a hardware change and check if it can find your digital license. If everything is correct, you'll see a Windows is activated message again, and your Windows 11 should now be successfully deactivated.